I am on Royal Caribbean, Harmony of the Seas, room 714. We're on deck 7. I'm in a standard ocean view balcony. Just want to do a quick tour of it. It's the bathroom, and then they have a closet on either side, or wardrobe on either side of the bed. And then just a mirror on this side. It is not another room, although it definitely looks like it. Let's start out with the bathroom. Oh, it opens like that. All right, well, I'm not going in there. Looking to see how to turn these lights on over here. Let me see if I can. There we go. Oh, it's nice. So this bed can be split into two. And this turns out into a twin size sofa bed. So this room sleeps 3. It's a little dark in there. Sorry, I'm dropping backpacks. This did not come with the room. We ordered that in advance. Let's go check out the balcony. It's covered. Let's go see what you see when you look over. Ooh. We're in Port Canaveral. That is at Royal Caribbean, Harmony of the Seas, in a standard balcony room.